In Yamdu, you'll be able to add off periods for actors and locations. So, if we head to the cast section under the department-specific area in the navigation, we'll see an overview of our characters. Then in the actors area, we can select the talent we're looking for and enter their page. Scrolling down, we'll be able to find the off periods field. Here we can add additional off periods for this actor, and this can also be done for a specific location. In the pop-up window, we can either select a single date using the calendar or give it a time frame. And we can also include actual times. But for this example, let's give this actor a single day off and create. Now the new off period will be visible along with the other, and we'll also be able to see it in an active shooting schedule. Just enter the edit mode and we'll actually see the warnings or conflicts in red. And that was a quick look at how to add off periods in Yamdu. Stay tuned for more tutorials.